Hi everyone, I am PRADEEPA. I am from Tech High Tech Dr. Rangarajan, Dr. Sagundala Engineering College. I am going to present my topic on Nuage security using Cryptosystem and dynamic algorithm, which is guided by Mrs. P. Rekha and co-guided by Dr. M. Manchula. My main objectives of the project is to provide the strong security to cloud server. In this system, they implement the encryption of cloud data in order to secure the information. This data which simultaneously support the dynamic update operation. The data owner can log in. If we need to access the secure information in cloud, it will be requesting for semi-cloud server. The admin approve the owner to upload and user to access or download the data and information. The data user can log in. Then if we need to access the secure information in cloud, it will be requesting for semi-cloud server. In existing system, huge amount of data and resource are secured and they are performed by the owner and user in cloud. The system is identified with less security of data and cloud data should be secured with strong security. This scheme can deal with the deletion and insertion of document, and it will have many demerits, and they are high resource cost is required for implementation. User and owner must be have an account. In existing system, data owner used to upload the file in cloud server. Data user is used to download the file. This is the literature survey. Is based on my paper. Problem definition: a losing of the data when the sensitive data are outsourced to the remote cloud server. In encryption technique is not used in cloud storage for cloud data security. In proposed system, they present a security to official and private data which is encrypted and stored in cloud. It supports insertion and deletion operation of document, and they have authorized person is allowed. Proposed system can achieve better linear search efficiently. It supports dynamic update operation also. And the merits are it use higher key length size, and no one can hack your personal informations. This is a proposed system diagram. Owner want to upload any file in cloud server, just pass the upload request, and the semi-cloud server give the approval to data owner, then owner to upload the file in cloud server. And data user used to download the file. Data user first pass the request to semi-cloud server, then it will be give the approval to data user, then he want to download the file. I'm using our AES algorithm. It will be having 128, 192, 256 bit. In my project, I'm using 128 bit data. It will be more efficient than compared to others. It will be product for hacker, and it will be have speed and code compactness of many CPUs. The design is very simple. Hardware and software specifications. I'm using 4GB RAM and dual core 2.8 GHz processor and HD 8GB hard disk space. In software, I'm using Visual Studio .NET 2015 and .NET Framework 4.5. Backend, I'm using SQL Server 2014, and my OS is 2010. And my modules are authentication, data owner, data user, semi-cloud server, encryption and decryption, database. Module description. Authentication module. This module include administrator and user login. There will be a username and password to log in into the system to use all the facility. Data owner. The owner contain employee and client details. The owner can log in. Then owner need to upload the information into semi-cloud server, which use of encryption technique, but also provide the service to data user. The data user module is used to view the all company detail, which is use of data owner. The user can log in first and they need to download the information into semi-cloud server. And then see semi-cloud server module, it act like an admin. In this module, it store all the company detail within cloud environment. Encryption and decryption model is used to encrypt and decrypt the data in server side with use of AES. Database. Database is used to store all company and client detail in encrypted format. This is the data flow diagram, level 0. In this diagram, we have data owner, data user, semi-cloud server. These three are passed the request to Nuage security and then stored in database. This is the level 1 diagram, which is used to upload the file, download the file, view the file, data owner approval and data user approval, and they all are stored in database. This is the level 2 diagram. Data owner first upload the request and then upload the file. Finally, it will be stored in database. The data user is used to download the file. First, the data user pass the request and then download the file, and all the data are stored in database. And finally, semi-cloud server is act like admin, so it will give the approval to data owner and data user. First, it is used to view all the file, and it will give the data owner approval and data user approval. And then finally, it will be stored on database. This is the use case diagram. The data owner, data user, semi-cloud server. This and all actors. The data owner is used to upload the request and view the file. And the data user is used to download the request and view the file. And the semi-cloud server is used to view the file. It will give the data owner approval and data user approval also. Then sequence diagram. Data user, semi-cloud server, data owner, this and all object, and it will be first pass the upload request to cloud server and then it will give the approval. Then owner upload the file in cloud server. If we want to see any file in cloud server, if we want to see the file in which use of cloud server, then data user pass the request to pass the download request to semi-cloud server. It will give the approval to data user. The user want to download the file. Next, collaboration diagram. Data owner, semi-cloud server, data user, this and all object, which is simultaneously connect through the arrows, and first pass the request to cloud server and it will be give the approval to owner, then it will be upload the file. Likewise, user want to download any file in which use of a semi-cloud server. Then ER diagram. Data owner contains upload file and view files. It will semi-cloud server give both approvals, data and they are data owner and data user. Data owner to upload the is used to upload the file and data user is used to download the file, which use of semi-cloud server. This is a table relationship diagram. Here I am using 5 modules. First one is the login, second one is the register, third one is the data user, fourth one is the data owner, and fifth one is finally semi-cloud server. Table description and login. I'm using username and password. Register page, I'm using username, mail ID, phone number, password, and confirm password. Then data owner page contains username, mail ID, status. Likewise, data user page contains username, mail ID, status. And owner details contains username, role ID, status. User details contains username, role ID, status. I'm done in 3 type of testing in my project. First one is the validation testing. This is the failure page of my project. This is the success page of my project. Verifications testing. This is the failure page. This is a success page. I'm done in integration testing also. This is the failure page. This is the success page. This is the test case report of my project. Verification, integration, validations. In verification, I'm using login form, and in integration testing, I'm using a file upload page. Validation testing also, I'm using upload page. This is a screenshot of my home page. This is the login page. This is the register page, semi-cloud server login page, main page, data owner approval page, data user approval page, data owner page, upload page, data owner view files, data user page, download page, data user view page. Conclusion. The proposed scheme can achieve better than linear search efficiently and deal with deletion and instruction of document flexibly. The cloud computing is promising and emerging technology for the next generation of IT application. The barrier and hurdles toward the rapid growth of cloud computing are data security and privacy issues. AES encryption is fastest method that has the flexibility and scalability, and it will be easily implemented. On the other hand, the required memory for AES algorithm is less than the Ballfish algorithm. In future enhancement, the user can their own rights to upload and download the file without the permission of semi-cloud server. The Nuage security can improve even more by including some algorithm and maximum level of scientific operation. This is a reference paper of my project. Thank you. This is a home page. First, click the login button. Give the username and then give the password. Password must have one uppercase and a special character and lowercase letter. Then click the login button. A pop-up message will be displayed. Login failed. You need to register first. Okay. Then click the register button. Give the name. Here 2 options are there, admin and user. Admin is the data owner, user is also a data user. First I click the admin button and give the email ID. The number should be 10 letters. Username. It will give unique name. It identifies the person easily. Yeah. Then set the password. Please agree the terms and condition. Then register successfully. Okay. Then log in your page. Enter your unique name ID. Ramya. Then give the password. Again, pop-up message will be displayed. You need to wait for approval. Okay. Then we move on to semi-cloud server. Here the server login page are there. Click the I'm defaultly set the password as username and password as server. So give the password. Password also server. Then login. The main page will be displayed. In main page, home and data user and data owner page are there. First, you can click data owner. Then you can see all the file data are there. So you want to choose any. Here you can see ramya@gmail.com. It gives the request to cloud server. So give the approval to Ramya. Then come to login page. Click enter your username and password. Click the login button. The upload page will be displayed. In upload page, the file upload, home and view files. You click the view file. You can see Ramya. Ramya is upload the file. So upload button is used to upload the file. Here you can choose any file. I am choosing std01 Tamil PDF. Then upload. The file already exists. So choose another file. Upload successfully. Then back and view the files. Ramya. Here I will give the download option also. If you want any file, you can download it. Then come to home page. Here again register it. Which use of I will give the same name, but I will choose the user option, and I will create email ID. Then I will give mobile number. So here I will give Ramya 1, and then password, confirm password, agree and register successfully. First one I will choose owner option. Here I am using user option. So again you have to log in. Ramya 1 password, login. Here display the one pop-up message. You need to wait for approval. Okay, so you need to wait for semi-cloud server approval. Go to semi-cloud server and here I will give the username and password. Click the user and then here see ramya@gmail.com. The pending. It will not give the approval to Ramya. So give the approval and then log out. Go to home page. Login page. Ramya 1. Give the password. Login. Here you can see the data user page are displayed. Here home, view file, download file. The three options are there. If you click view page button, here see the files are there. If you want to download the file, then click the download file. Here select any files. I'll select database one document. Download. Click the download button. Download the file. Here you can see download the file. Okay, download is completed. Then we can view the file. Here click open the file. It will be open. Here you can see this is the page of database. So this is my project. In my project used to upload and download the file in very secured manner. Thank you so much.